Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to go AFK in Southwest Florida on Roblox. Firstly, automate movement. Use a small object to hold down one of your keyboard keys, WASD, to keep your character moving. Secondly, utilize an auto-clicker. Some players use auto-clicker software to simulate mouses, clicks, and keeps the game active. Just be cautious as this may violate the game's terms of service for excessive use. And thirdly, choose a safe spot. Find a location where your character can safely grind on earn experience without being attacked or disrupted by other players. This way, you can accumulate resources or experience while being away for the keyboard. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.